Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the next adventure. I'm Bob. We are out at a private property of a friend of ours. First time I've ever been here. It is pretty awesome. As you can see here, got the rig set up on a hillside. I had to use to level it out. Had to use a rock. Hey little copper, say hi. Got Copper with me. Copper's having a good time. I just let him off leash and he's been doing great. But got here last night and it was dark. Had interesting time pulling my friend's. He's got a big camper. Had an interesting time pulling that thing up here, but it was fun. Got it in there and we explored around a little bit in the dark, but it looks way different during the day, obviously. But so today we're just gonna explore around and just see what we can find. There's a little waterfall that way that we looked at last night in the dark and it looks pretty awesome, so I'll make sure I get over there and show you guys that. Yeah, so that's kind of the plan today. Just explore around and enjoy the blue skies. It's a bit windy, but it's gonna be a good day. It's supposed to start raining, I think, tonight, which, oh well, we got lucky. We had a whole week without rain. I suppose it's got to come back sometime. Might make it a little interesting to get the big camper out of here. This thing we'll have no problem with, but if I gotta hook up and pull them out or whatever, we will. Hopefully we don't have to. But yeah, we're just gonna go explore around and I will check in when we find some cool stuff. Copper. He's gonna slide in. Check this out. So apparently right up here, let's see, so right here, there's a hole that goes up to, you can stand in up to your shoulders. I'd be really curious to see what's at the bottom of that hole. I think that'd be awesome. I don't think I'm gonna find out today because it's gonna be cold. Well, I do have to say that'd be a pretty cool thing to have on your property when it's 95 degrees outside and you want to go cool off in the water. Should have brought my muck boot. We'd walk up the river, but I didn't. Dang it. I looked for him, but I couldn't find him for some reason. Copper's first camping trip and he's already hurt himself. Copper, come here. Come here. You can see, somehow, back foot there, he ripped out a toenail. Gotta be more careful, bud. Not much we can really do about it. It doesn't seem to be affecting you. Rub some dirt in it and we'll take care of it. Not a bad view from the top of the cabin. Pretty sweet. Well, just taking a little morning stroll here. Last night, it gets dark at 4:30-ish. I had probably one too many tasty beverages, but I feel pretty good this morning. We're walking up the top of this hill here. Show you You can't tell it's steep, but see copper going up there. I just found this trail just now. I have no idea, I haven't been here yet. So we're gonna walk to the top of it. After we get to the top, go back down, and it started raining last night, so my buddy's big camper he has out there, quite an interesting ordeal to get it out of here. Not quite sure how we're gonna pull that off yet. I think I slept for like 12 hours. I think I went to sleep around like 8 o'clock or something like that. It was super early. Woke up at 8. Must have needed some sleep. Guess that'll happen. But I'm just gonna enjoy this little hike here, and then oh yeah, start to get a little bit of a view. All I have to do is start the truck up and drive out of here. There might be a state park that I go check out before I completely head out of here, because it's just right up the road on a river. So if I do that, I'll check in and we'll check it out together. Well, I pulled over to the state park and it's all gated off, so I'm not gonna be able to show that to you. I thought it was gonna be a pretty cool river, but yep, they don't want nobody in there. So that's gonna tie it up for this video. I'm gonna head out of here and make the hour drive home, and I will see everybody on the next one. Thanks for watching, and on to the next adventure.